Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been talking to some other gardeners, and one of the conversations we had was about biochar, and I told them that there was a video on YouTube about how to make these little biochar cookers. Not my video, but this other guy's video that I learned this technique on, and I went back and his channel has been removed. Some YouTube violation. What the heck? That's just heartbreaking because he was brilliant, had all kinds of really cool gardening stuff on there. But anyway, I'm gonna just post this with also a screenshot of these, which are now $70. And I honestly, I could go back. I ordered through Amazon. I didn't order through a company, but I'll put information below this video if you're interested in it. Anyway, these little biochar cookers can go in your wood stove, over the winter time, or if we're still having some, cold weather and you might have your wood stove going. Or if you're someplace where you can have fire safely outside in one of those like fire pit kind of a thing, then this same technique would work out there as well. So the cans just get filled with whatever kind of dry materials you're going to use to make the biochar. The lid goes on. It creates a limited airflow environment, which is what creates the biochar. So I'll link my video below this one, and sadly I can't link back to the original one because his channel is gone. So censorship. All right, see you in the next one, unless I get censored.